In this video, I'll show you how to get bullet points side by side in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, click on Insert tab, click on Table and select the table according to your data. I want 2x4 table, so I'll just select it. Now you can just paste your data inside the table. I have already copied my data into my clipboard, so I'll just paste it right here. Now if you want to resize the table, you can just resize it according to you. I just want this table like this, so I'll just select it according to my need and resize it as well. So once you resize your table, it's time to add the bullet points. So how to do that? Just select the whole table just like this and click on this icon to add the bullet points and click on this icon to add the numbers. I want to add the bullet points, so I'll just select this one. And now it's time to remove the table lines. For that, just select the table again, hit right click, click on table properties. Now click on borders and shading, and here in the border section we need to set it on none. Click on apply, again click on OK, and yeah, you can see the table lines are now removed and you can just move this table anywhere you want. So yeah guys, that's how you can get bullet points side by side. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.